So, good morning. Glad to see you again. During this morning, we will talk about two main things. One is the tool that during a proposal writing phase we thought will be useful for all of us. That is the platform. So the tool for communication, knowledge exchange, knowledge repository. And the second part will be dedicated to communication at national level, so bringing the outcomes of the project to your countries. However, I would like just to give 2 minutes to our dear friend, colleague, that actually has extremely important role, not just to take a group picture of us and to make us be at the same place at the same time, but basically very important role for the project. And please, Thomas.
Thank you. My name is Thomas Alföldi. I'm from the Research Institute of Organic Agriculture, FiBL, in Switzerland. And I have the fantastic task to produce 150 videos in our project. And I'm fully aware that most of you won't be ready by next year yet with your demo activities, but I still don't want to be just waiting for it. So I encourage you, if you have something for next year already, which could be shown in a video, please contact me, and then we plan the story together. And I think it's just important for the project, but it's also important for our YouTube algorithm that we are active. So please contact me. And I forgot to say, I have enough budget to travel. My work is paid, so it's free of charge for you. You just have to cope with me when I'm there, that's all. Okay, thank you very much. Contact me also here or by email if you have some ideas. I already talked this morning. I have some good projects already, so I'm not completely lost, but good ideas are always welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. And let's start. As I said, we thought that the knowledge reservoir, the knowledge repository, will be a good tool for all of us in this project, in this 7 years project, to exchange, to gather all the knowledge, to exchange it, to take it. So basically, we had something similar in previous projects, so we are taking lessons learned out of them, and we'll try to have a unique place for all project results and objectives, inventory of all the farms and all the events that will be held in the upcoming 7 years, then information about projects, success stories, tools, guidelines, data repository, and so on and so forth. So, in the upcoming months, first we will take user requirements. Some of them we already have taken. I will present some of the things that we will incorporate. Then we have the design phase, building the platform, and at the end of March, based on grant agreement, we need to publish it. However, we are very well aware that in month 6, at the end of March, we will not have the entire platform ready, as it will be after the end of the project. So we plan to have iterations while developing it and improving it. But in order for us to be able to build as useful tool as possible for you and your needs, that is why we tried to have this workshop today with all of you, and that is why we are having interviews, one-on-one interviews with many groups here. Basically, one-on-one interviews, online questionnaire, this workshop, and many other things that we are doing. Basically, some of you said, and we will continue with this process, some of you said that primary target groups are farmers and advisors, and we have a list of many other users that will be interested in the content of the platform and of our project. Features, so we must have a demo events overview, demo farms overview, but also some repositories of different knowledge tools, guidelines, videos, and so on. Then news, blog section, social media feed, thematic area presentations, and so on and so forth. Basically, what you wanted to have on the platform is the ability to search the events, to learn about and find out. So basically, easy way to find the resources, different types, and of course to search farms. Something that you will, at least in the first year, use a lot, that is the registration of farm, registration of event. Of course, that is in the later years. Share experience and see other actors, explore who is in the platform and what they're doing. What we found out that would be very useful to keep from NEFERTITI: calendar, farms map, farm demo training kit, and of course other things. So the different types of resources, event registration, search through filters, and so on and so forth. To change. So yesterday we talked about making it easier to register a farm. That will be implemented. Better user experience. Useful resources should be clustered by thematic areas, so not everything in one place, but basically some kind of differentiation between the type of material and easier navigation. Other things that we will change is more interactive landing page, more country-specific things available. Search for farms and events will be easier, user-friendly, basically. We learned a lot. And what is very important is the interoperability with other projects. We already identified some of them, but we all know that we have more and more projects. Luis is taking care of it. However, we are also fully agree and fully on the same page that it's not about the quantity, but the quality. So these are some of them that are listed. Of course, there are many more. However, we will try, even at the platform, to make useful links and to interlink, interact with other platforms, other projects in a meaningful way. So both consortia and both target groups can basically benefit of each other. Practical part. So this was just a short introduction about the tool that we are currently creating.